In this video I will try to explain a little bit more details about confluence of trading. A confluence is first of all when the support and resistance levels together with the trend lines are crossing and where they are coming very close to each other. So they form some kind of an area which will be a confluence of support or resistance. In this case, I will use gold against US dollar on the 4-hour time frame and different time frames to show you a little bit more details about the confluence. In my case, in my trading, I use the confluence as a way of confirming where it is a confluence of support or resistance, and that means where is the area where large amount of traders are waiting as a support or they are waiting as a way of supply, which means resistance. Here on the chart we can see a 4-hour time frame where I have a full line here, which is a trend line on the daily time frame. So if I go to the daily, you will see how this looks. This looks where I have this uptrend channel and I have this a larger downtrend channel. Now you can see where I have formed, when the prices form some kind of a channel, I put these trend lines, connect these levels, these highs, so I have a clean trend line where the price could go in the future. So it is also a way how to define where is the confluence. Now the confluence is where the horizontal support and resistance lines, in this case here, are crossing to each other together with this trend line. So in this case this would be a confluence of resistance. Why it is a resistance? Because we have a downtrend channel which will prevent the price from going higher and higher, and this horizontal line is the resistance because the price has moved in this case to the upwards, so the price has reached this resistance or supply zone. In this case, this one here is the downtrend channel which is acting as a support, so this trend line is acting as a support and this horizontal line will act as a support because the price is falling down. So we can see here an area of confluence of support. In this case it was an area confluence of resistance. How to trade that? How to use the confluence in trading? Usually the confluence, in my way, I use it as a confirmation where it is a larger support or resistance level, and it is a case, an area where I expect that the price will bounce or reverse down or up. So in this example on the daily time frame, we can see that the price was moving down, then it was moving sideways, and then it has moved up, and then further down and up. In this case, when I have formed this kind of a trend line, I needed to see these highs formed on the chart so I can put these trend lines. When I have created them, in the future I can see where the price will tend to bounce and where it is the support and resistance levels much stronger than having only a horizontal support or resistance. In this case we can see when the price was moving down based on this one, when I have connected this line with this position on the chart with this position, we can see that the price has formed this line where the confluence of support is visible right here. Why is here and not right here? It is, in this case it was also right here. But we can see how the price is behaved. Price did not go below this support level, but it has moved up and reached this resistance level. From here we can see that the price has moved it down, so the price will not reach this area because the price cannot go in the back. The price is moving from left to the right. So where the only position where the price could reach is this one here. So where is the confluence? Confluence is very close to the area between these two price levels. First one is this one and the second one is this one. So this would be an area of support, a confluence of support where the price will try to reach and then bounce back up. In this example the price has done right that, because the price has reached, and we can see these lows because we can see where the wicks are and where the open and close price levels are. The price has reached this area and then bouncing back up. So we cannot make a confluence a specific price level, but we can make an area. Specifically in this case it was a daily time frame, so this means I should take this area as a support where the price will tend to reach when falling down. In this case the price has reached this one and then price reverses back up. So when the price has gone up, the next resistance is this one where the confluence of resistance levels are. In this case, the price has reached this area, which is resistance, makes a breakout and then reaching an area, which is the confluence of resistance, which adds more important, more significance to this resistance level instead just having this horizontal line. In this case, we can see the price had this weekly resistance level, but the price has reached and formed a bullish breakout where the price has moved up. Then the price has reached the daily resistance level, which is less stronger than the weekly. But because of this strong confluence of resistance, the price has reversed back down. Now, where is the top? Where is the confluence of resistance stopping? Based on the previous, if we take a look back, the higher part, the higher price level, which means the higher end of this supply zone, and this is the supply zone around this horizontal resistance level. A supply zone is the area where the sellers are waiting. So this would be the top of the price that could reach in this case. We can see that the price in the past has reached this price level, which is very close to this one where the price reached, but in this case the price has moved slightly above and then reversed back down. We can see this is a strong confluence of resistance, which was expected that the price could bounce because of the past. The price has tended to bounce from this resistance level. Now in this case we can see the price has followed that and the price has dropped down, going below this weekly support level. Now in the future, where the price will have a large confluence of support or resistance is this one here. When the price, and I am currently expecting based on the technical analysis on the daily time frame, which I also share inside the Telegram group with the traders, you will see that. The link will be below in the description. I am expecting that the price will move even more down. And then when the price reaches this price level, in a few days, the price will form several candles, and when the price returns back up, this will be here a confluence of resistance for the price, and I will expect that the price will reach this area and then bounce back down slightly, just for example about here. Because we can see in the past, when the price reached this resistance level, price tends to return slightly back down, reaching this area. So in this case, this will be a confluence of resistance. But if the price goes above, makes a breakout above this trend line, which is a downtrend trend line, this will represent a support level if the price will move from the upper side to the downside. Now this is what is expected. If you go down even more, you will see what are very critical levels for the support or resistance levels right here. Now if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you'll see the similar scenario which is happening on the markets. For example, when the price is formed at this trend, small one, we can see in the future how the price is behaving. We can see this was a confluence of resistance where the price has managed to create a bullish breakout when the price was moving up. The price did not return back down immediately, but when the price was get inside, we can see this confluence of support has prevented the price from falling down. We can see that the price has reached this trend line, which is support for the price level, and when the price was moving up, we can see that the price could not make a clean bullish breakout easily because it is a confluence of resistance. In this case, you can see these attempts when the price was forming a strong candles did not react very strongly around this confluence, because sometimes this confluence also doesn't work. It doesn't work 100% of times, but usually it works like I have just explained. Now we can see what has happened after the price has formed this bullish breakout. The price formed and reached the higher price levels. Then when the price was moving down, we can see that the price has reached this confluence of support. We can see a large wick where the price. Now if we go on the smaller time frames, we would see a bounce from this price level, and we can see that has happened with a large wick here. But what has also happened, like in this example, the price did not respect this confluence of resistance because of this strong bullish pressure. In this case, it is the same example. The price did not respect as strong as usually this support, confluence support, because of this strong selling pressure that has took the price down and down. Now, where is the next confluence of support and resistance levels? So we can see easily that this will be the next confluence of resistance, because when the price will move up, the price will stop for a while right here. It will be very hard to make a breakout because we have three lines. We have 4-hour time frame, this is the dotted line. We have a daily trend line, and we have horizontal 4-hour resistance levels. So we have two trend lines, and we have one horizontal line that is crossing here on this price level, which will be a very strong resistance level for the price. Now in the future we can see how the price is behaving. We will see this will be also a confluence of resistance or support depending where the price will move. Will it move from the lower side to the upside, which will be a confluence of resistance, or will the price drop down from higher price levels to the lower price levels where we'll have confluence of support. Now if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we will see also what is visible, what is available, how the price reacts around this confluence of support and resistance levels. Now we can see when we move to the 1 hour time frame, this 4 hour time frame trend line is crossing here with the 1 hour time frame, a small dotted line, which is representing a confluence of support for the price, and we can see that the price has reached this area, bounced back up, and is moving right up here. This is the way how it works. This is the confluence of trading. If you would like to have more information about the confluence in trading, feel free to ask anything below in the comments. I will try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading.